Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Schooling Street. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to fix IP address in Windows operating system. Let's start. First of all, you need to know about your default gateway. Write CMD in search box or simply click Windows plus R key. From here, select CMD and hit enter. In this window, write ipconfig and enter. In this window, you will see IPv4 address, mean to say IP address, which one is 192.168.8.102. Subnet mask is 255.255.255.0 and the default gateway is 192.168.8.1. This default gateway you need to put in default gateway, otherwise your internet access will be lost. If you don't put this default gateway in default gateway address. Let's see how. Minimize this window. Click on start button. From here, select settings. From here, select network and internet. After this, select Wi-Fi. From this, select change adapter options. When you click on this, you will see this window. From here, right click on Wi-Fi and select properties. Now you can see internet protocol version, which is TCP IPv4. Click on it and select properties. From here, at this time, IP address is automatically. I want to choose default or use fixed IP address, or you need to fix your IP address. Use following address, click on this and you can see IP address, subnet mask, default gateway. From here, in IP address bar, you can select any of your choice. You can choose any 0 to 255 between any character. Let's choose 192.168.8 and for example 50. I want to use this address in IP address or as IP address. You can see currently there is IP4 address is IP address is 192.168.8.102. Now I want to choose this IP address and want to fix it. In default gateway, you need to put default gateway which is recently shown in ipconfig in CMD. This one, default gateway. You need to put this address in default gateway 192.168.8.1. Right, 192.168.8 dot 8 and dot 1. After this, preferred DNS, you can choose any of your choice. Currently you can see the DNS is not shown here, but you can see the DNS by typing ipconfig/all. Now you can see a lot of details about your IP addresses, subnet mask, DHC server and etc. Here you can see DNS server. You can choose these as DNS server or you can choose by your own. I want to choose 888 end. from here 8 8 and 4 4. After this you need to hit enter or OK. After this close this window, also close this window, and now see your IP address by hitting ipconfig and enter. Now you can see the IP address has been changed, which one is 192.168.8.50. In this way you can fix your IP address. Once again remember, in default gateway you need to put only your default gateway address. If you don't put your default gateway address in default gateway address, your internet will be lost and no more internet access can be used on your laptop or on your system. Therefore you need to put the same default gateway address in default gateway address bar or option if you want to use internet on your system. Hope so you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to this channel for future videos. If you have any question, please comment below. I will answer as soon as possible. Allah Hafiz.